Installation. A large-scale art piece, often occupying a space or room, designed to create a particular experience or effect. The museum's new installation immerses visitors in a world of light and sound. The artist's latest installation covers the entire gallery with hanging sculptures. The outdoor installation uses natural elements to blend art with the environment. The interactive installation invites viewers to touch and manipulate the artwork. The installation at the entrance features moving parts that respond to sound.